Finding the right type of shipping box or just storage box is really important depending on what it is that you want to store away. So I was sent these particular boxes to check out and to provide a video for you to give you a close-up look so that you can know what to expect so you can make an informed purchase decision. They come folded up. Now it came in a pack of 25. So you want to seal the bottom using tape like this. Packing tape, it's not the type that interlocks, that you can fold and just use without tape. You really want to use tape with this. And this is a size small. And to give you an idea of the size, it is about 15 1/4 in length. In width, it is 10 inches. And in depth, it is a little less than 6.5 inches. Now, a few things to notice is that what I like about this particular box, and I have helped my family move multiple times, so I'm very familiar with what type of boxes are out there. And this one is really nice because it's fluted, which means that there's some give in there, which means it's kind of like padded. I'm going to show you an example of another box. And this is not a storage box, but this is a box from some old coffee that we used to get. And you can see for almost the same size, the difference alone in the thickness of the cardboard is huge. So what would I put in here? I would feel very comfortable putting in here things that are fragile. I wouldn't use this for just putting in clothing or pillows. I wouldn't use that type of cardboard for this. I would use more heavier stuff or things that are very fragile, like wine glasses, like dishes, cups, mugs, things that you need to kind of wrap up. This fluted cardboard is going to help cushion it. I would feel very confident giving these to my family members who are actually going to be moving within the next year, and I will save any that I have left over so that they can use them as well. I would feel confident doing that and that the items would be safe in these. So I do hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.